Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share common kitchen utensil materials, utensils with multi-functions, and some optional utensils you may want in your kitchen. When home cooks cooked with cast iron and steel, utensils were mostly steel and stainless steel. They were affordable and lasted for decades with proper care. Metal utensils easily damaged early non-stick coatings that required softer plastic and wood utensils. Newer non-stick coatings, like ceramic, claim to be metal utensil safe, but still recommend using plastic utensils to extend the coating life. Some people fear synthetic plastic materials. They prefer durable natural materials like bamboo and wood that are safe for most cookware finishes. Wood utensils may damage some non-stick coatings and must be hand washed. Wood and plastic utensils are generally thicker and not as flexible as steel. Another drawback of plastic is it can melt when left in contact with hot surfaces. Silicone utensils have a higher melting point than nylon. Silicone is also more flexible and softer than nylon. Some plastic utensils use high and low melting point plastics. As you can see, the low temperature plastic melted, while the high temperature plastic is not damaged. My personal preferences are wood and bamboo, followed by stainless steel, silicone, and nylon. Silicone utensils are soft, flexible, and less likely to damage non-stick cookware. Utensils with more than one function saves money and storage space. This silicone spoon scraper is one of my most used utensils. I use it to mix soft batters for cakes, muffins, pancakes, and waffles. Fill pans, make pancakes and waffles, and scrape mixing bowls. Every home cook needs knives, but you do not have to buy a set. Start with a good quality 8 to 10 inch chef's knife. Unless you only eat pre-sliced bread, a serrated bread knife slices breads and buns better than a chef's knife. Small serrated knives easily slice tomatoes and other soft vegetables, but you can also use a sharp chef's knife. The most used knives are chef's knife, serrated tomato knife, and serrated bread knife. You can add specialty knives as needed. Large metal or wood spoons are essential for stirring and serving. Flat wood spatula turners quickly break up ground meats. Use flat spatulas for scraping bowls and making scrambled eggs and omelets. Unless your recipes are metric, you'll need a set of dry ingredient measuring cups and liquid ingredient measuring cup and measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are used for wet and dry ingredients. Liquid measuring cups range from 1 cup to 8 cups. To save money and space, a 2 or 4 cup measuring cup may be all you need. Glass is more durable and versatile than plastic. You can heat liquids without plasticizers leaching into the liquid. If you do a lot of baking, a set of metal or plastic scoops saves time scooping flour and sugar. Whisks are useful for mixing batters, breaking up lumps, and making sauces. Graters are used for hard and soft cheeses, whole nutmeg, and zesting citrus. While most can openers have only one function, It's essential for opening canned foods and may be less painful for people with arthritis. Instant read thermometers are used to check the temperature of liquids, meat, and poultry. There are also several affordable, accurate, digital instant read thermometers. Probe thermometers prevent under- and overcooking meat and poultry and can be used to check oven and refrigerator temperatures. Potato vegetable peelers can do more than peel fruits and vegetables, like shaving pieces of chocolate. Colanders are useful for draining large amounts of pasta and vegetables, or you can use strainers for small amounts. Small strainers are also useful for dusting. Large strainers can be used to sift flour and other ingredients. Some optional utensils include pizza cutters that can be used for more than slicing pizza, like cutting a variety of thin doughs. An immersion blender is useful for creamy soups. Some come with extra attachments for blending and whipping. A jar lid remover can make opening large jars easier. A potato vegetable ricer produces lump-free mashed potatoes. A potato masher can be used to break up ground meats. Kitchen scales increase measuring accuracy compared to measuring cups. Kitchen timers are useful if your stove or oven does not have one or if it's in use. A silicone basting brush does not absorb as much liquid, making them easier to clean. A thin metal fish spatula simplifies turning delicate fish fillets. And finally, a rolling pin for cookies and pie crusts, and a set of cookie cutters. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.